Hi, I'm Matt Nyer. I'm a Senior Applications Engineer for Makino, and I'm here with you today's tech tip, which is going to be Rigid Tap Retract. Well, this is actually going to be a twofer as well. So you can see behind me here, we're going to simulate a tapping cycle. Okay, so we can either stop it in the middle via we're going to use a reset key, but we can do a stop with reset or e-stop and then come back and actually have the machine back itself out. Okay. So you guys can see this better here. I'm going to do a second tip here, which is we're going to run this with the machine open. Okay, so with our splash door open. And the way we do that is we utilize a function called operation mode 3. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put this machine in operation mode 3. Okay, so we're going to do our My Panel. It should be on our My Panel. If it's not, it will be in the function screen somewhere here. Okay. We're going to hit operation mode 3. It's going to ask for a password. That password is PRO, P-R-O. Okay. And now that lights up yellow. Now we know it's enabled. You'll notice when I hold the dead man switch halfway, this light goes out. So what does that get us? That gets us the ability to step through probing programs. We can run the spindle below 1,000 RPM and below. Okay. Will not allow you to run coolants, will not allow you to change tools, and it will not allow you to pallet change or anything to that effect. Okay, very limited, but still useful. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to simulate a tap cycle, and we're going to use the reset key to stop in the middle. This can help you. Let's say you have a power failure, or for some reason something fails without breaking the tap, and you need to back it out. This is how we do it. So we're going to this will also only allow the machine to run very slowly. So you're going to see some very slow motion here, but that's what we want. So we're going to break into our tap. I hit reset. Uh-oh. Okay, we're partially in the hole. Granted, you don't even have a tap in the machine we're simulating here. But how do I get out of this? So what I do is I'm going to put the machine in MDI. We're going to come up here to our right corner. We're going to hit the function page, and we're going to go to our NC function. Over here, you're going to see Rigid Tap Retract. Okay? Once I hit this button, the machine's going to move. So you want to make sure everything is clear. We're going to hold our dead man switch halfway, just like when we were running. We hit Rigid Tap Retract. You're going to notice it backed itself out of the hole. Okay? At this point, we're done with operation mode 3. We're going to turn off our operation mode 3. Here, it's no longer lit up. Now you'll notice we're in a feed hold condition because our door is open. We want to get rid of that. We close the door, and we're back to normal. That's today's tech tip. That was Rigid Tap Retract.